guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you all for joining me for another CVS Deals video. I hope everyone is having a wonderful week, and this is a brand new ad and we have some deals going on. Just make sure you're scanning the items with your phone to see what coupons or CRTs you have that will apply and make it a better deal. If you're joining us for the first time, I would like to welcome you. Thanks for being here, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. And if you have any question, leave it in the comment section and I'll get to it. If you need a copy of all the deals I shared in this video, check my description box for a link to a Google Doc that you can screenshot or you can use it while you're at the store. And let's go find some deals. Let's start with the Kids Sensodyne toothpaste. It's priced at $4.79 and it's part of buy one get three back. Pick up one and use a $1 off digital coupon. You pay $3.79 and get 3 back, making it 79 cents. The next deal I have is on Crest toothpaste. Select ones are on sale for $3.99 and they are part of buy 3 get 5 back. Pick up 3 for a total of $11.97. Use the 5 off 3 Crest digital coupon and you pay $6.97, get 5 back, making them $1.97 or 66 cents each. If you like Listerine mouthwash, the 1 liter Total Care Listerine mouthwash is on sale for $8.99 and is part of buy 1 get 4 back. Pick up one. Use a $2 digital coupon and you pay $6.99, get 4 back, making it $2.99. Select Colgate Total Toothpaste. It's part of spend 10, get 5 back. Pick up 2 priced at $4.99 each. The 2 will total $9.98, and that's within the 98% rule for spend 10. Use a $2 digital coupon and you pay $7.98, get 5 back, making them $2.98 or $1.49 each. My next deal is spend 10, get 5 back on any tons of main toothpaste or mouthwash. Pick up 2 toothpaste priced at $8.29 each. The 2 will total $16.58. Use the 5 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $11.58, get 5 back, making them $6.58 or $3.29 each. This week, you can pick up the Cinnamon Toast Crunch on sale for $1.99, no extra care box back. Pick up 2 for a total of $3.98. Use a $1 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $2.98. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for 50 cents back on each. From Ibotta, you're getting back $1, making them just $1.98 or 99 cents each. The Nature Valley granola bars are on sale for $1.99, no extra care box back. Pick up 2 for a total of $3.98. Check your app. We have 50 cents off 2 digital coupon. Use that and you pay $2.49, making each box $1.25. The same deal applies to the Gushers. They are on sale for $1.99, no extra care box back. Pick up 2 for a total of $3.98. Use the 50 cents off 2 digital coupon and you pay $2.49, making each box $1.25. If you use the Cetaphil oil absorbing moisturizers, the price for this product is $23.49, but now at my store it's on clearance for 75% off. The new price is $5.87. If you can find it, pick up one. Check your app. We have a $2 digital coupon. You will pay $3.87. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $2 back, limit of 1, and that will make it $1.87. The next deal I have is buy 2 any Tresemme hair care, you get $4 back. Pick up 2 shampoo and conditioner, priced at $7.29 each. The 2 will total for $10.58. Use a 4 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $10.58, get 4 back, making them $6.58 or $3.29 each. My next deal is on Neutrogena makeup remover wipes. They are on the deal of buy 2 get 6 back. Pick up 2 priced at $7.79 each. The 2 will total $15.58. Check your app. We have a 4 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $11.58. You'll get 6 back, making them $5.58 or $2.79 each. The next deal I have is buy 2 get 4 back on Axe body wash. Pick up 2 priced at $6.29 each. The 2 will total $12.58. Use the 5 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $7.58, get 4 back, making them $3.58 or $1.79 each. The 5-ounce Eucerin lotion is priced at $6.99 and is part of spend 20 get 10 back. Pick up 3 for a total of $20.97. Pay the $20.97 and you get 10 back, and that will make them $10.97 or $3.66 each. If you have the $2 off Eucerin tear pad coupon, you can use 3 and that will take off $6. You pay $14.97, get 10 back, making them $4.97 or $1.66 each. Some stores will not allow you to use more than 2 coupons, and the good thing with this deal is that it tracks, so you can do 2 transactions, pick up 2, use 2 coupons, and pick up 1 and use 1 coupon, and you will get your $10 extra care box back. Skintimate and Chic disposable razors are on sale for 2 for $14, and when you buy 2, you get $4 back. Pick up 2 Skintimate disposable razors, use a $3 Digi2 coupon, and you pay $11, get 4 back, making them $7 or $3.50 each. OGX hair care is on sale for $6.99, no extra care box back. Pick up 2 for a total of $13.98. Check your app. We have a 4 off 2 Digi2 coupon. Use it and you pay $9.98, making each one just $4.99. The next deal I have is buy 2 get 3 back on Garnier Fructis shampoo and conditioner or leave-in conditioners. Pick up 2 Fructis leave-in conditioners on sale for $4.49 each. The 2 will total $8.98. Use the 3 off 2 Garnier Fructis Digi2 coupon and you pay $5.98, get 3 back, making them $2.98 or $1.49 each. Garnier Whole Blend shampoos and conditioners are on sale for 2 for $10, and when you buy 2, you get 3 back. Pick up 2, use the 3 off 2 Whole Blend Digi2 coupon. You pay $7, get 3 back, making them $4 or $2 each. This week, L'Oreal Elvive is on the deal of buy 2, get 3 back. Pick up 1 shampoo and 1 conditioner. They are priced at $6.29 each. The 2 will total $12.58. Use the 3 off 2 Digi2 coupon and you pay $9.58, get 3 back, making them $6.58 or $3.29 each. Pampers bag diapers are on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and when you buy 2, you get 5 back. Pick up 2 bag swaddlers. They are priced at $15.29, and with the buy 1 get 1 half off, the first bag will be full price and the second one will be $7.65. These 2 will total $22.97. Use the 3 off 2 Pampers Digi2 coupon and you pay $19.94, get 5 back, and that will make both bags $14.94 or $7.47 each. This week we have a spend 25 get 5 back, which is not a great deal, but if you need laundry items and you have extra care box to spare, you can do this deal. Pick up 1 Tide Pod on sale for $13.49 and 1 Gain Flings on sale for $13.49. The 2 will total $26.98. Use a $3 Digi2 coupon for the Tide Pod and a $3 Digi2 coupon for the Gain Flings. The 2 coupons will take us $6 and you will pay $20.98, get 5 back, making them $15.98 or $7.99 each. My next deal is on the Cottonelle 9 Mega Rolls. They are on sale for $10.49 and they are part of spend 20 get 5 back. Pick up 2 for a total of $20.98. Check your app. We have a 2 off 2 Digi2 coupon. Use that and you pay $18.98, get 5 back, making them $13.98 or $6.99 each. Next deal I have is buy 2 get 3 back on the 28-ounce Ajax dish liquid or the 25-ounce Suavitel, and I'll give you 2 options for this deal. The first option is to pick up 2 Ajax dish liquid. They're on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and it's priced at $3.79. That means the first one will be full price and the second one will be $1.90. The 2 will total $5.69. Pay the $5.69 and you get 3 back, making them $2.69 or $1.35 each. The second option for this deal is to pick up 2 Suavitel. They are priced at $3.59 and they're on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off. The first one will be full price and the second one will be $1.80. These 2 will total $5.39. Pay the $5.39 and you get 3 back, making them $2.39 or $1.28. The next item I have is the Arm & Hammer Odor Blasters. They are on sale for $1.99, no extra care box back. You can pick up 1 or you can pick up as many as you want. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching. Thanks for all your support and I'll talk to you all next time. Bye.